What's up, guys? Here we have something I'm really excited about, the Ogery Camping Fan F11. It has 3-level lighting, multi-angle rotation, a battery display, and adjustable wind speed. Now, I live in Arizona. It gets very hot here, even at nighttime. So this would just be very useful outdoors. Let's open it up and see what we have inside the box. Here's the fan itself. It comes with a remote, a user manual, and a USB-C to USB-C cord. So not only is there a handle up top, there's also a hanger on the bottom if you want to hang it. You can hang it on your tent in a construction zone or wherever you want. There are some rubber grips on the bottom if you want to place it down. On the back, we have 2 USB ports, and one of them is an in and out for USB-C. This fan has a built-in fast charging module that supports 18-watt max fast charging, with most fast charging adapters sold separately. So you could pretty much use this like a power bank. On the front, we have 4 buttons and a knob. If you push the knob, it's going to turn on, and you can increase the speed by rotating it clockwise and decrease the speed all the way down. There is a sleep mode here, a lighting mode, so we have 3 lights right there. 1, 2, 3. Here's oscillation, so it will start oscillating as you see. I'm going to turn that light off. And a 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and 8 hour timer. You can also change how much it oscillates. We have 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and 120. Another thing you can do is rotate the fan, you know. You can rotate it that way, all the way this way. Look at that. We can also point it straight up. That way, when you're hanging it, you can point the fan straight down. And check this out. The fan is on. It's not on full blast. Let's point it down. Goodbye, user manual. It fell off the desk. Here's the controller. It pretty much does everything that the front interface does. We can turn the fan on. We can increase and decrease the wind flow. We also have the light there. Hey, that's pretty bright. We have a timer, sleep mode, oscillation. Summer gets very hot, and if you need a fan when you're camping outdoors or whatever you're doing in your car, wherever you are, this works great. You can also charge your phone. And you know what? I think this would also be great if there was an emergency, like electricity went out. And it seems very well built. It's got a big base, if you know what I mean. If you want to check out this fan for yourself, I will leave a link to it in the description. I totally recommend it. I think it's great. I think it looks great. It works great. It has a lot of great features. So go and check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching.